Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss yet another important topic from conic sections, right? So here we have to find the length of the chord intercepted by the ellipse, whose equation is x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1 on the line y is equal to mx plus c, right? So here we'll discuss this topic with the help of a problem, and the problem is given here. That is, we have to find the length of the chord intercepted by the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 4 on the line y is equal to x plus 1, right? So here what we are given an ellipse. This is an ellipse, and here we have the axis, that is x-axis and y-axis, right? So this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the equation of this ellipse is given as x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1, right? And let us consider that the line y is equal to mx plus c, it intersects the ellipse at 2 points. Suppose this is the first point and this is the second point, right? Suppose this is point A and this point is B, and y is equal to mx plus c is the line like this, right? And we see that this line y is equal to mx plus c, it intersects the ellipse at these 2 points A and B, right? And suppose the coordinates of the points A is x1 y1 and the coordinates of the point B are x2 y2, right? So therefore here we have this segment, that is AB, right? So AB is the chord which is intercepted by this ellipse on this line, right? So we have to find out the length of this chord, right? This line segment, that is AB, which is intercepted between the ellipse and the line, right? So what we have to do, if we see the detailed method, then we have to find the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? And then we can apply the distance formula to find out the length of this line segment, which is AB, by square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, right? So in this video we are not going to discuss the detailed method how to find x1 y1 and x2 y2. Rather we are going to use the direct formula how to find out the length of this intercept AB, right? Now viewers, the direct result or the formula to find out the length AB, which is the length of this chord, is given by the formula that is 2AB. Then we have square root of 1 plus m square and divided by a square m square plus b square, and then this whole term will be multiplied by the square root of a square m square plus b square, and then here we have c square, right? So this is the formula to find out the length of this intercept AB, right? So now let us come to this problem. Here we have to find the length of the chord intercepted by the ellipse. The equation of the ellipse is given as x square plus 4y square is equal to 4, and the equation of the line is given as y is equal to x plus 1, right? So what we will do, we'll convert this equation into this standard form. So this equation now, it becomes x square over 4 plus y square over 1 is equal to 1, right? And now if we compare this equation with this one, then we see that a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 1, right? So the value of a is 2 and the value of b is equal to 1, right? Similarly, if we compare this equation of line with y is equal to mx plus c, then we see that m is 1, that is the slope of this line is 1, and the y-intercept of this line, that is c, is equal to 1, right? Now we'll substitute the values of a, b, m and c in this formula, right? So now if we substitute these values here, we get AB is equal to 2AB. So here we have 2 times A is 2, B is 1. Then we have square root of 1 plus m square. M square is 1 square. And then we have A square, which is 4. And m square is 1 square plus b square, which is 1 square, right? And here we have again this term, that is a square m square plus b square. So here we have 4 times 1 square plus 1 square, and then minus c square, which is 1 square, right? So now it is quite easy to simplify this expression. So AB is now equal to, here we have 4 and then 1 plus 1, 2. So we have square root of 2. Here we have 4 plus 1, that is 5. And here we have square root of, this is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4, right? And this is 4 root 2. And here we have the square root of 4 is 2 divided by, here we have 5, right? And if we solve this, we get 8 times square root of 2 divided by 5, right? So viewers, the length of the intercept which is made by this line on this ellipse is given by 8 root 2 over 5 units, right? So this is how we find the length of the chord.